Today we'll be going over how to install an X7428S for your Nissan Rogue. The first step will be to remove all 3 support hangers from the exhaust. Next, remove the 2 push pins on the bottom side of the rear bumper. Then there are 4 nuts that secure the metal plate, which you will want to remove. You will not be reinstalling the metal plate. Next, unclip the kick sensor and secure it out of the way. After making your measurements, you want to carefully trim the bumper to provide a discrete access port for your hitch. Once that's finished, you'll find 3 holes on each side of the frame that will line up with the hitch for you to put your bolts. Once you get your bolts in, you want to torque them down to the proper specs listed in the instruction. When that's done, you'll want to secure the bumper to the hitch itself with the hardware provided. Reattach the exhaust support brackets, and you'll be able to safely use your hitch.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.